Hello guys, welcome back to your favorite movie reviewing channel, Bollywood Vibes. I hope you must have liked our last video and subscribed to the channel by hitting the bell icon for the latest update on our videos. Today I am going to share a story based on the real life incident of the movie named Lion. In this movie, you will see Slumdog Millionaire actor Dev Patel in the lead role. This story basically belongs to a boy who lives in the rural India with the very basic resources to live on. You can say in the local language, roti, kapra, makan, like food, shelter, and clothes. But even after being so poor, he was happy because he was living with his family, in which he was having a caring mother, loving brother, and a younger sister. But being poor was not the worst part of his life, because worst is yet to come. One day, what happened? He left house with his elder brother to help him out in his work. But as he was a child, 5 year old, he changed his mind and asked his brother that he wants to sleep. And his brother left him on the railway station, asked him to not to go anywhere. But as you know, a 5 year old child don't have brains to follow the instructions, or he was very innocent. So he wake up and got into a train which was standing there in the platform, and got into like a passenger seat and slept there. And the next day when he wake up, he found himself in a totally different city, and where nobody know him or not even his language. But he really tried very hard to make other people understand that he was missing, or missing from his home. But as you know, it's India. It is not as good as it looks. Being at home, looking at your television sets, it's a far way different, and the same a bad thing, or the bad people try to catch this boy as well. But you can say because of his good mind or his mother's blessings, he always came out of it. And after struggling so hard to find his home back, he came into the got in touch with a good person, and he introduced him with the local police authorities, who sent him to the child care. And again, Indian child care centers was not a good place to be, as their name says they are taking care of the child, but there are so many different things or bad things happening to the children there as well. But we will not talk about that, we will focus on the movie. And as we were talking about this boy, he was again, you will say, he was having a good luck that some a family from Australia, those who were looking to adopt a child, found him, and they have adopted him and take him with themselves to their house in Australia, and given him a good lifestyle, and brought him in a good way of life. And like he was even in a good place. And he grown up, and then one day he left house for his higher education. And then what happened suddenly, at that moment of time when he left his house, he got those old memories, how he got separated from his family in India. And then there is from there the struggle starts of this boy. And he started finding his family in India. He spent months and months on internet to find that place, because he has very faint memories of the place. He remember the name of a place called Ganesh Thala, but there are so many places with the same name, so he spent months and months finding out the place. But at the end, one day he finally got this place where he used to live. And the best part of this, that his mother was still living there with the hope that one day he will come back. And she was right, and he came back and they met. And this was actually a real story. And one more thing, which I would like to tell you, in the whole movie, the boy called himself Saru, but actually his name was Sheru. which means the lion. Yes, that's how the movie named Lion, because his actual name was Sheru. And again, this movie has a very solid, strong star cast. Dev Patel is a very good actor, and I really like the story, direction, and how they picturized the rural India, and how the emotions are with the movie. Everything was really great. So, Bollywood Vibes score for this movie will be 9 out of 10. And again, this movie was released in 2016, so you guys will not gonna find this movie in cinema houses near you. You have to go on Netflix to watch this movie, and you can easily subscribe for Netflix by paying 5 rupees, because the first month subscription for Netflix will cost you at only rupees 5. And I hope you like the movie review, and if you really like the video, please go and hit the bell icon to subscribe to our channel for the latest movie updates or the reviews. And if you have any favorite movie of which you like, or any show which you want us to review, please mention that in comment. We will review that show in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a great day.